Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to change your team logo in Dream League Soccer 2025 step by step. It is simple and you can use your custom logo or even your favorite club's badge. So first of all, you need to open your Dream League Soccer 2025 game. Your main menu is going to look something like this. Over here on the top right hand corner of the screen, when you tap on it, you are going to see the name of your team. So here you just have to tap on this option and then tap on the logo option. Right next to it you will find the edit logo option. So you will have to tap on that logo, and after that you will have to start uploading your new logo which you want to use it for the game. So this way you will be able to basically change the team logo in DLS. Now if your logo doesn't load, you just have to double check the link. It must be a direct image URL or not a website page. You can also test it in your web browser first to be sure that the logo opens alone. So once it is imported successfully, you can just save the changes and it will appear here on your main menu. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.